Hello, fellow math adventurers. Today, we're diving deep into the mystical realm of PEMDAS. It's like our magic spell for solving tricky math problems.
Absolutely. Sally, PEMDAS helps us know which maths operation to do first. So let's break it down step by step.
Imagine we have this enchanted math problem. It's like a secret code, and we need to solve it using PEMDAS.
PEMDAS is like our magic wand. First, we start with the letter P for parentheses.
Inside the parentheses, we add 5 and 3. That's 8.
Now, our enchanted code becomes 8 times 2 to the power of 2 divided by 4.
Next, we tackle the letter E for exponents. 2 to the power of 2 means 2 times itself, so 2 to the power of 2 is 4.
Now, our enchanted code looks like 8 times 4 divided by 4.
Now, it's time for M and D, multiplication and division, but we do them from left to right.
We multiply 8 by 4, which is 32, and then divide by 4. So, our final answer is 8.
Well done, fellow adventurers. We've unlocked the secret of PEMDAS and solved the enchanted math code.
Remember, always follow the order of operations to unravel the mysteries of math.
Thanks for joining us on this magical math quest, friends. Until next time, keep practicing your PEMDAS spells.